everyone, I'm really excited because in today's video, my dad's going to help me make a birdhouse. And stick around to the end of the video to see how many trips to Home Depot it takes us. On our first trip to Home Depot, we picked up some wood glue that's weatherproof and suitable for outdoors. And then we picked out some stain for our birdhouse. It's my dad in his natural habitat. Since we're still working on decluttering our garage, we set up some temporary workstations in our driveway for our saws and tools. Originally, we were going to use a pattern that we purchased online, but when we downloaded it and printed it off, we realized that the measurements are in metric, which in Canada we do use metric, but it's kind of confusing. We use it for certain things, and for some things we use the imperial system still. For a project like this, we're definitely more comfortable using feet and inches, so we decided to make our own pattern because the pattern we bought was in centimeters and millimeters. What kind of saw is this?
This is a miter saw.
A miter saw. And what about that one? A table saw? We're making a freestyle birdhouse. A speed square?
Speed square.
Speed.
Speed.
Like fast. This is called a speed square. So that's how you can adjust it so it does different angles.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that. It's a miter saw. Right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, now we need a base.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so now we need sides. So too low now.
No. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh, I know.
No one's gonna see that part,
to
right?
fit.
Put some extra glue in there on that part.
It's not bad.
No, it's fine. Eh. Why did you say cedar's better for the birds?
It weathers better and
It weathers better.
yeah, and bugs don't like it.
And bugs don't like it, but they like to eat bugs.
All you have to do is line the blade up with the pencil mark
Glasses.
right there.
Okay.
You have to make sure that it's against the fence.
Okay. And then what do I do?
You hold this handle, you pull this over. If you don't pull this over, the saw won't go at flock, right?
Pull it over this?
Here, I'll do a cut and watch.
Okay.
So yeah. Did you see what I did?
Not really, but okay. I'll try it. The arm was in the way. I'm scared. Okay, I make sure that lines up, right? Good. Right?
Yeah.
Hold that back there.
Yeah.
No?
You gotta keep the wood flat, right?
Yeah.
Press against the fence like
Okay.
that.
But other than that, I was right?
You go like this. You start it, bring it forward, and push it back.
Okay.
You don't even need a line.
Don't need a
Just
line.
do a piece.
Okay, so start it, bring it down, bring it forward and back, right?
Yeah.
did it. That's scary. I don't like it. But I did it. Okay. I used the miter saw. Glasses. Don't put your thumb there, jeez. No, no, no. Freaking me out. If you cut your thumb, I'll throw up and pass out. You'll be on your own. You can use my phone for 911. Is that on the outside or on the inside?
The outside.
Okay.
You cut right.
Can you like offset it? That'll look nice.
Not really.
I like it. No?
It's not. You can see that it's not even.
Oh.
See, this side's longer than this side.
Oh, I see. That can be the back.
What?
Oh, yeah. Was there a hole in the front and the back?
No.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I don't know in your head what we're doing.
Usually not. Anyway. I need one to match this.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
What?
It doesn't have to be perfect.
No, but it doesn't want to look like the guy down the street made it.
Mm-hmm. Which guy? Which guy?
What are you throwing them out for?
Oh. I don't know. What do you want them for?
You never know.
Oh boy.
Make it small things.
Okay, I won't throw any more out.
We need a hole saw.
A what saw?
A hole saw.
Are we done with this?
What?
This saw?
No.
Oh. What's a hole saw do?
Makes a hole in the front.
Oh, a hole saw. I thought you were saying like a whole saw.
Kind of off.
Yeah, it's good for a freestyle one. So a few things, my dad said we needed a whole saw, and I said, well, what would we want to do with half a saw? Who's making the dad jokes around here? So he went to get his whole saw. Hole, H-O-L-E. It's to make a hole for the birds to get in the birdhouse. That makes a lot of sense. And we're using, how long was this, do you think?
It was just over 8 feet.
And how wide is it? 8 by?
5 1/4.
This is an 8 by 5 1/4 cedar plank. It's called a plank?
Fence picket.
Fence picket that we already had just in our garage. So we're using it up for the birdhouse. And my dad said it's good because cedar keeps the bugs away and it weathers better. This is a hole saw.
It's a hole saw set.
What size hole do we want?
1 1/4.
Okay.
No.
So that's called a brad nailer.
Brad nail here.
Is it pneumatic?
No.
No.
It's brushless. It's cordless.
Cordless. Cordless brad nailer. My dad's wearing his McDonald's shirt I got at the Worldwide Convention in, I think, 2018. The McDonald's, I used to work for a McDonald's franchisee. His Big Mac t-shirt. We all got these t-shirts, but they only had extra large ones left, so I gave it to my dad. This is the hole saw. Nice. So why are you taking it off?
I'm gonna glue it.
Oh.
The brad nails were just to hold it while I drilled it.
Oh. The brad nails were just to hold it while he drilled it.
Too long anyway.
And they're too long and we have to glue it. So we're doing this to make a double entrance to protect the birds from predators.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, so the birds can fit through there, but like maybe, what would be, like squirrels?
Squirrels or bigger birds.
Squirrels or bigger birds can't get in. So we roughed this up so the birds can climb out. If it's too smooth, they can't get out. Okay, so I'm here on my second Home Depot trip for the brad nails. Okay, so you guys, the only 1-inch size brad nail I can find is this one that's like really sketchy because it looks like it was opened. It looks like it was opened and there's just some tape sealing it. But I'm gonna buy it because it's the only one left. My dad sent me to Home Depot for the nails, and so I'm using this as an opportunity to go to Tim Hortons. Hi, can I get a medium coffee, 1 milk? Okay. That's all, thank you. Medium 1 milk, you can tell. Thank you. Okay, while I was at the store, my dad sanded all the pieces
20 grit.
With 220 grit sandpaper by hand?
No, with a palm sander.
With a palm sander. What's the palm sander?
This thing.
So apparently these weren't 1 inch after all. The tape was covering the fact that it was 5/8. So then my dad had to go back to the store and get this one, but because they didn't have it, he went to Canadian Tire. So what is this for?
This is, we're going to cut a hole in the back for a clean out, and then we'll screw this onto the back so it can be taken off, and we'll pick 2 holes so it can be mounted onto something, either a tree or a fence or something.
You have to clean it out once a year, you said?
Yeah, every year it should be cleaned out.
So my dad watches the Bearded Viking on YouTube. What does he say?
Add a dab of glue.
Add a dab of glue. I like it. Well, I like it. Okay, let's see it. Show it.
The birdhouse.
Yay. Okay, so our birdhouse is ready to be stained. Looks really good. That's what I'm going to do now. Staining it. Okay, everyone, so here it is, our completed birdhouse. Thank you for tuning in and watching. And I just wanted to recap some of the things I learned from my dad. I learned how to use the miter saw. I learned about the table saw, the brad nailer, the palm sander, and of course we learned a lot about bird safety. We learned that there has to be a little bit of ventilation so the birds don't get too hot inside. We learned that there has to be certain things to protect the birds from predators. From predators such as squirrels, larger birds, and so on. And what else? We learned when you go to Home Depot to double check and triple check the package of what you're buying. Never trust a suspicious looking package. So I hope you tune in again when we continue to declutter our garage to turn it into a DIY workshop. Thank you.